We show the method of Rekey for Key-nox 115 series. Put the Key-nox 115 on top of the steel tools. Remove the body of 115 from steel cover by hammer it using timber stick. Unscrew the cover to take out the cylinder. Take out the cylinder. Remove the clip. Take out the cylinder from the housing together with the follower. Remove the original pin. Rekey the cylinder. Put back the cylinder into the cylinder housing by push out the follower. Clip the cylinder. Put back cylinder into the padlock body and screw up the cover. Put back the hardened cover. Screw up the hardened cover. Knock the padlock body into the steel cover. Rekey for Key-nox 115 series is completed.